Hi, I'm Paul from Motorbiking, and this is our 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory 1100. One private owner. It's covered just 1,597 miles. It is absolutely beautiful. The condition is utterly superb. It's got a few neat extras, but very standard machine. You've got the EvoTech brake lever guard. There's an EvoTech radiator guard, and there's EvoTech crash protection as well. You've also got the tank grippers and the fuel tank protector. But in terms of accessories, a very standard original machine, lovely to see, unmolested, and it's beautiful. You look at the front end, no stone chipping, very, very clean. Move further down, you see those massive Brembo brakes, the electronic Öhlins suspension, top end machine, and a real handful. That V4 engine, bags of torque, loads of power, a really, really awesome machine. There's no damage or any marks to point out. It really is a lovely example. On the original silencer, you see that Öhlins rear shock absorber there. And then further down on the rear end, really, really superb. So just walking around the back of the bike, you can see it's got its seat cowl on. We do have the original if you want to take pillion, but this side, once again, condition is superb. You can see the EvoTech swing arm sliders, the quick shifter, and those engine cases, really superb condition. Left side of that front wheel, again, real tidy, and the bodywork of the side, absolutely spot on. So, just going over the top of the bike, no marks or scratches here. That rider's seat, no rips or tears. Top of the fuel tank, very, very clean. All the controls, nice and tidy, no wear and tear there. And the cockpit area is just fantastic. So, I'm going to quickly start it up for you, let you have a listen. Sounds pretty awesome. Well, if that's of interest, please do give us a call. The telephone number is 01202 479 125. You can email me, paul@motorbiking.co.uk. If you've got a part exchange, do let us know. We'll certainly consider it. We also offer finance. Please visit our website for finance calculators. You'll find them very, very useful, but you're also welcome to give us a call to discuss your options. Well, I hope that video has helped, and thank you for watching.